It is New Year's Eve today. That was some good cheesecake.
Delicious.
And now we're in downtown Greenville, which we love.
So the Freightliner Service Center in Gaffney is really the best place to go if you have a Freightliner motorhome chassis. So the Freightliner Service Center in Gaffney is really the best place to go if you have a Freightliner motorhome chassis. We pulled in on Saturday. If you watched the last video about why we're here, we'll link it up above. We pulled on Saturday. Sunday, there was a few people that pulled in. Monday morning, 6:45, I went in. We were number one on the standby, and it's about 1 o'clock. They came out to the coach. They're taking it in to take a look at it, and I think they're going to be done probably by tomorrow. It's probably going to take them longer to get approval from the wholesale warranty than it is to diagnose and fix the problem.
Yeah, they work very fast, and they're so nice here.
Yeah, so if you ever are in the area or you just want to make a yearly trip, like, we cannot speak highly enough of the Freightliner Service Center. In fact, I don't think we would buy another motorhome, like Freightliner versus Spartan. I would choose a Freightliner just because of this service center. Now, I want some feedback from people that have Spartan chassis. You know, what is the customer service? Do they have a place like the Freightliner Service Center in Gaffney? Because I'm really curious.
We got to kill some time, so we're going to go to the West Gate Mall in Spartanburg. We like Spartanburg. It's about a half an hour from Gaffney, but they have a lot of cool stuff. They have a Costco at this mall. They have a lot of cool stores. I told you that yesterday.
So we're going to hit Costco too.
Oh, you see how excited he gets. So yeah, Jason loves the free samples at Costco. So we're going to go there. We're going to kill some time. And then hopefully it would be great if we get a call saying, you're all set to go.
Now, an update on our door. So I had sent Sachin from RV Max just kind of a message saying, hey, you know, the gate closures, a heads up. You have a lot of coaches coming in and out. He felt terrible. They have a body shop that they work with. So if we get out here in time, they're going to fit us in. And I mean, it's not going to take a long time to fix that. It's pretty minor, but it does have to be painted. They're going to take care of that. And then we're going to start making our way to Georgia to have our windows done. Now, the weather with that is a little questionable, but we're going to make it work. So hopefully, if we can get this door done, give it to 2 months or so to really dry, hopefully we can get the ceramic coating somewhere around like March. That's the hope. So MJ found some shoes. We went, well, not at Costco, we went to the mall. That mall is like, it's on life support.
It's really sad.
The mall's closed and there's like 2 things in the food court. Pretty sad. But then we went to Costco, which is always packed. Got a couple things. We got, well, here, I know people love this.
These Costco trips are very exciting.
These are amazing.
Oh, they're so delicious.
Brussels sprouts, kale, and broccoli, really good. We got that.
Yeah, Jason doesn't eat that.
We got cucumber, strawberries. We got a couple other things, but one other thing, if you go to Costco, as you can see, we're stocked up. These things right here, where are they? Huh?
Oh, the bagel chips.
Are they up top?
What?
I just put everything in a new bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so
everything is in there.
they're these organic bagel chips. They're like croutons times 100 times better. They're so good. But we've been going through these with like hummus, or you put them in your salad. They're delicious. But I don't know, MJ, you want to tell them what happened at Costco?
This is actually the second time this has happened, but we were walking and what happened?
We ran into a subscriber.
Yeah, this guy came up. He's like, oh my God, I watch you on YouTube. And then he was telling us he's met other people. He met the Adventure Bandits at some campground. This is actually our second subscriber Costco meetup. It was kind of cool.
Maybe our next meetup will be at a Costco.
Maybe Sachin would like that. But it was really, really cool. We love meeting you guys out just like in the wild, you know, when you don't even expect it. But we talked to him for a little bit. He was super nice. And so if you see us out there, just say hi. Like, we'd love to chat.
Buy us stuff from Costco.
We did have 4 days of travel, which we didn't dump our tanks. And it's really nice to be at full hookups. I just dumped. We're going to be using our black tank treatment. Of course, liquefied is our go-to. We're super excited because they're coming out with that LiquiShine later on in 2026. But all we're going to do is enzyme base. I'm going to put 2 scoops, 2 doses in here because we do have a little bit of a bigger than 40-gallon tank. Made in USA, enzyme based, so it's going to break down the material in that black tank. We did a full video showing the results. We'll link it up above. Recommended by tank rangers who cleaned our tank. If you watched that video, we'll link it up above. Our tanks are actually in really good condition because of the liquefied. They also have a great tank treatment. They have toilet bowl cleaner, as well as different scents. The lavender, we do prefer the orange.
And the sensor cleaner, which was the one thing that helped us figure out the issue.
Yeah, that worked also. So if you go to liquefiedrv.com, use the discount code EndlessRV and 15% off of your purchase. You could also go to Camping World nationwide, Walmart, I believe, in 26 nationwide, or the best choice, again, is liquefiedrv.com or Amazon, but you only get the discount at liquefiedrv.com. We'll put the link down below with that 15% discount. All right, went in this morning, 6:45, and it was done. So they took it in yesterday around 1, returned it to us, checked in this morning, it was done. Easy fix.
They're so good here.
Oh, they're the
so
best.
Efficient.
They're the best. So 2 connections were leaking, and shop supplies, discount, whatever. Total amount, $228.62. Obviously, it's covered by a warranty, but it's a $200 deductible. It's not even worth. It's $28. So that's it. Everything else looked good. We're back on the road. We're going to be heading back to RV Max. They have their body guy that's going to fix our door. And then hopefully either tomorrow or the day after, we'll head to Georgia to have our windows fixed. So far, we're on schedule.
We're back to the place that we actually ate at for my birthday over the summer, which is Basilico, Greenville. Love this place. It's a great Italian spot. So we're going to go in and get some nice Italian grub. And of course, Sachin is here. And there's Mayan, our crew, our dinner crew. So let's go eat.
Some good Italian grub.
We're here at the Conisty Nature Preserve, and it's an absolutely glorious day. It's January 7th. It's 72 degrees, blue sky, sun. Guys, I don't think we can translate how awesome this is.
Everybody's been doing this for years now.
I know. Like for us, it's just this treat that at home there's snow on the ground. It's gray and cold, and we're so grateful to be here. We're here with the Shaws. We've come here with them a couple times. There's beautiful hiking trails. There's wildlife. It's just a really, really nice place to be, especially on a day like today. There's a lot of people here. Off we go out of South Carolina. We're headed to Georgia now. So the plan is unraveling, and it's working the way
It's raveling back.
hoped.
It unraveled, now it's re-raveling.
Yeah, it is raveling back. So we're headed to Cumming, Georgia, to Wise RV Glass. We actually found a campground called Twin Lakes RV Park right in Cumming, Georgia, close by. And we're going to stay there for a few days before we head to the Tampa show.
A lot of you have sent us emails and comments asking where we got our glass done. Like, this glass has been replaced. Just foggy glasses. Here's the thing. The double pane windows, I'm not a fan of. I think they're a waste, and this is a matter before they're going to fail. They really should be done like laminated, which is what Wise does. So this is laminated glass. It's never going to fail. So any of the foggy windows we have, he's replacing. We ordered these months ago, and we're going to get them done. So we're happy about that. And then, like MJ said, we'll be heading to Florida and then ultimately meeting with the Shaws again at the Tampa RV show. So we're going to continue this vlog in the next vlog for this. We'll be showing you how the glass is put in, how it comes out. We'll get Mr. Russell Wise on video if he wants to be. And if you have any questions, you can ask it on that vlog. But for now, we'll see you guys in the next vlog.